everyone, welcome back to S3 Cloud Hub. Today we will see how to deploy our website on AWS Amplify service. So let's start the video. So first of all, I have this React.js application, web application. In that I have made a simple calculator. So today we will deploy it on AWS. So we have to first open our AWS console. Here you can see I have my AWS console. You have to just sign in this, then search for service AWS Amplify. After that you will see this type of interface. So in that you can see the deploy on app button. You have to click on that. Then we have to provide our code source platform. It would be GitHub, Bitbucket, Code Commit, GitLab, anything. So I have my code on GitHub, so I will select GitHub. If you are deploying your website on Amplify first time, you have to give credential of GitHub on authenticate with AWS. Then we will click on next. Now we will select our repository of our code. So I am selecting my repository simple calculator. Then we have to select our branch. So I have only one default branch, main. Then we will click on next. Now here you can see the build settings. In that we have to give our build commands like npm run build, then dist directory. So we will give our default yml file. In that I have made YAML file. In this you can see the commands like npm install, then npm run build, and it will build our file for us. So we will click on save, then next. Then here you can see all the configuration of our application. Then click on save and deploy. Here you can see the our app is deploying, so it will take some time to deploy. Here you can see the status. So we will wait for a while. Also you can add your custom domains, then enable firewall or enable security, then connect a new branch if you have in a code. This is the extra options in the AWS Amplify service. Okay, now after the deploying, here you can see visit deployed URL. Also you can see here domain. So we will click on that domain. So now this type of page we will see in the AWS Amplify welcome page. After the deployed our application, we can see our application on that page. So it is deploying. Here we can see the all the logs of our website. Now it is deployed. As we can see here, status is deployed. Now we will just refresh this page. Here you can see my calculator is deployed on AWS website. Okay, this URL you can give anywhere. This is the video of how to deploy our React website on AWS Amplify service. Okay, so if you like this video, click on like button and comment, or if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.